If you need to cancel a pending transaction in Outlook before it completes, follow these steps to ensure the process is done correctly. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or access it through a web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account where the transaction is pending. Step 2. Navigate to the Outbox. In the Outlook interface, locate the Outbox folder in the folder pane on the left side. This is where emails that are pending to be sent are stored. Step 3. Find a pending transaction. Look through the emails in the Outbox to find the specific transaction you want to cancel. Click on it to select it. Step 4. Delete the email. Once you have selected the pending transaction, right-click on it and choose Delete from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press the Delete key on your keyboard. Step 5. Confirm deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the email. This action will remove the pending transaction from your Outbox, effectively cancelling it. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction in Outlook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.